Hello friends, let us discuss today about the allotropes of sulfur in group number 16 in p block elements. First of all, you know very well allotropes are same element and different form. Like a carbon has allotropes like a diamond, graphite, fullerenes, coal, etc. Like that, sulfur has many allotropes, and out of many allotropes, two allotropes of sulfur are most important. Among them, first one is the yellow rhombic sulfur. It is also called alpha sulfur. Another one is the colorless monoclinic sulfur. It is also called beta sulfur. Let us discuss some difference about the yellow rhombic sulfur and colorless monoclinic sulfur, or we can say alpha and beta sulfur. So rhombic sulfur is stable at room temperature, and monoclinic sulfur is stable at greater than 369 Kelvin temperature. The melting point of yellow sulfur is 385.8 Kelvin. Melting point of monoclinic sulfur is 393 Kelvin. Specific gravity means density is 2.06 gram per ml. Here specific gravity, it means density is 1.98 gram per ml. So yellow or rhombic sulfur or alpha sulfur density is slightly more than the monoclinic sulfur. Alpha sulfur is insoluble in water and sparingly soluble in organic solvents like benzene, alcohol and ether, etc. This monoclinic sulfur is insoluble in water. See here, next fifth point. This rhombic sulfur is highly soluble in carbon disulfide. It is soluble in carbon disulfide. Highly is not there, but fairly soluble in carbon disulfide. How it can be prepared? Rolled sulfur. Rolled sulfur means the sulfur obtained by Frost process. Already in Gujarat board you have studied in 10th standard. See, sulfur is extracted from land by Frost process by inserting cylinders, and already it was there in 10th standard syllabus, some important chemicals. Okay, so this sulfur is obtained, it is called rolled sulfur. Its shape is roll shape, like a chalk stick. Okay, see, rolled sulfur. Rolled sulfur is heated and by evaporation. This is by cooling. First rolled sulfur is evaporated and then cooled. So alpha sulfur is obtained or yellow sulfur is obtained. While in rhombic sulfur first melted in a dish. When it completely melted, then it is cooled till the crust is formed. Its upper layer becomes formed when it is heated, and then in the crust two simple holes are make two simple holes, and the liquid downside is poured, and this crust is nothing but needle shape crystal. It is called beta sulfur, and or you can say the monoclinic sulfur is obtained. So first is melted, then it is cooled, upper part becomes hard, the hole is already making, and from that hole the downside liquid is poured out, and this upper crust is nothing but the beta sulfur. See, alpha sulfur is converted to beta sulfur when temperature is greater than 369 Kelvin. Beta sulfur is obtained, and beta sulfur converted to alpha sulfur when temperature is less than 369 Kelvin. Okay, so these both temperature are important. You are asked at this temperature which sulfur is stable. Below this temperature alpha sulfur is, more than this temperature is beta sulfur stable. Okay, convert all this temperature in degree Celsius also. Degree Celsius also are subtract this from this 273 subtracted from this and you will get degree Celsius. So here is greater than, here is less than. So what can you say about exact 369 Kelvin temperature? At exact 369 Kelvin temperature, both allotropes exist in a stable state. Both exist, and so this temperature is called transition temperature. So the important temperature at 267 Kelvin temperature, alpha and beta both sulfur, both allotropes can exist. Okay, so this temperature is called transition temperature. Now let us discuss about the shape of both allotropes have S8 पकड़ means having the wrinkles. जैसे कि आदमी 50-60 साल की उम्र में पहुंच जाता है तो उसके फेस पे रिंकल्स देखने को मिलते हैं, ठीक है, तो पुकड़ शेप बोलते हैं. तो S8 is the पुकड़ and it's a crown shape ring. यहाँ पे मैंने ड्रॉ की हुई है. तो सल्फर बॉन्ड लेंथ जो 204 पिकोमीटर, ये एंगल जो है 107 डिग्री एंड क्राउन शेप, बोथ सल्फर, monoclinic and rhombic sulfur. And nowadays by research we know different allotropes of sulfur. S6 to S20 allotropes are known. Among them S6 is well known. Its structure is chair-like structure, ring shape. See, SS is like a chair. SS bond length is 205.7 picometer and angle is here is one S. I forgot to write down here one S. Here is one S. Sulfur S6 sulfur 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. This is S8. This one is S6. At elevated means high temperature, near about 1000 Kelvin, S2 exists, disulfur exists, and this S2 is similar to O2, paramagnetic by MOT, molecular orbital diagram. S2 is paramagnetic. Okay, this is all about the allotropes of sulfur, and in next lecture we will discuss about the preparation, properties and uses of sulfur dioxide. Before that, let us see the diagram of rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. This is the shape. It is a puckered ring structure. It is also called crown shape. Okay, puckered ring structure, crown shape. And another one is I already shown you. That one is here is a chair-like structure. S6. Okay, thank you friends. Now prepare this question and then we will discuss about the preparation, properties and uses of sulfur dioxide.